How to fix playback speed not working on YouTube is actually pretty simple once you know what's causing it. Because most of the time, this happens due to browser issues, extensions, or outdated apps. So, first, refresh the page and make sure you're clicking the gear icon on the video itself and not a short video, since shorts don't support playback speed changes. And if you're on a browser, disable extension like ad blockers, video enhancers, or script blockers because they often break YouTube's player controls. Then clear your browser cache and cookies and restart the browser. And if you're on mobile, just update the YouTube app and your device software, then force close and reopen the app to reset playback settings. And other quick fix is switching browsers or trying an incognito window to see if the speed control comes back, because that confirms it's a browser level issue. And finally, if you're watching embedded videos or videos with restricted settings, understand that some uploads simply don't allow speed changes. So once you rule that out, one of these steps will almost always restore the playback speed option. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.